Berai thai bangran nahar mumbai jompui hatai ni Eden Tourist Lodge no hanyo hai katal khe mang sajogi kisauka berai khiri naikho naithok nukthok tongkhoro namai ti samani o katal tangjak berai khiri thai pandani bisri chengri kha hokba mantri Rotolal Nath snamungtei baniya naikhuni mantri Santara Chakma tei berai khiri mantri Sushant Chaudhary kathalai chati kathar muchungai katal khe sajokjak o lodge no phiyogiri khatini.
Our efforts will go to vain. We won't be able to achieve the desired result. And keeping that in view, under the able stewardship of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Shah, we have been progressing towards the development in terms of infrastructure, in terms of culture, in terms of food, everything. Tourism has come across in the coming times, and we are progressing gradually, and we have to go a long way in the coming times. Our Secretary Mr. Chakma was citing about homestay facilities. What was the homestay? The number of homestay in the state was nothing. In 2014, during the starting of Promofest festival, 9 homestay license was given at Narikal Kunj by the Honorable Chief Minister. And now, after a span of 1 year, the number of homestay has increased to 150 in the Narikal Kunj vicinity only. In the entire state, if we calculate, the number of homestay has gone to 250 plus. And we are very happy that last year, one retired Air Force official in front of that Bhangmun, our Eden Tourist Lodge, one retired Air Force official has started his homestay, and he has dedicated the homestay facilities under the fighter jets like Rafale, Tejas, Jaguar, etc., after getting retired from his service. So it speaks in volume. The homestay facilities, each and every time, people coming in large number, they're getting the homestay facility in cheaper rate. They're getting fooding facility in cheaper rate everywhere to different nooks and corners of our state. And we have to take it forward in the coming times, because tourism, in one side, we have to give infrastructure to showcase our state to the rest of the world, and on the other hand, we must give livelihood to the unemployed youths of our state, which is the main intention of our Honorable Prime Minister. And I assure you, ladies and gentlemen, that in coming 12 to 15 months, we'll have a complete different horizon of tourism altogether. When it comes to infrastructure, when it comes to road facility connectivity, when it comes to cultural tourism, spiritual tourism, ecotourism, we all have been working in a holistic manner to take our state forward to the national level and showcase our state to the outside of our country as well. And keeping that in view, we have been working hand to hand, shoulder to shoulder with Government of India, as well as under the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister, Professor Dr. Manik Shah. Our Senior Minister, Rotolal Nath, is also here. We get valuable suggestion from him on different occasions. Today, he has come all the way from Agartala, covering a good distance. Shantana Chakma, Philip Priang, who belong to your region only, they have been always keen to inspire us, to motivate us, so that tourism get boost in this